Hi there, students. A tab as a noun. I think you could also probably use it as a verb as well. Let's see, a tab. Let's see, if you have a folder which is full of different pieces of paper, maybe they're these little tabs with the letters A, B, C, D, E, and these tabs just stick up a little bit so you can find all the papers that begin with A or all the ones that begin with B. So a tab, it's like a little something sticking up, a little something that's attached, so it gives you information, it gives you access to the right bit. So make a folder and then write legal on the tab. Or for example, if you're making a model out of paper, there are little folded bits and you slot tab C into slot C. So a tab, it's just a little bit. Or for example, the tab on a can of beer, there's this little ring pull and you pull that tab, yeah, and that opens your can. So a tab, a pull ring on a metal on a drinks can. Let's see, a tab could be a tablet. Particularly a tablet of hallucinogenic drugs, but a tab, informal, short for tablet. Or in Newcastle, a tab is a very informal word for a cigarette. A cigarette, give us a tab. Or on your computer screen, you open a window and then maybe you open various different tabs to allow you to have various different documents. Yeah, this comes from the file with the ABC. It's got the same idea. Or on your keyboard, you have the tab key, which normally has an arrow going to this and an arrow going to that. The tab key is normally above the capital lock and it moves the line of text. Yeah, it's a fixed position on the line of text. A tab, the tab can also be the bill. So come out to lunch with me today and I'll pick up the tab, I'll pay the tab. The tab was 320 quid. So the tab is the money charged for a hotel, for food. It's the bill, yeah? To pick up the tab, to pay the tab. Also, perhaps for the army, I'm not sure if this is only the British Army, to tab as a verb, to have your full kit and to run fast, to go as fast as you can from A to B. So to tab. Okay, so a tab, it's like a little piece of something so that you can pull it to open. Or perhaps, yes, you've got something with a battery and there is a little tab that you pull out so that the battery can connect. A tab, a piece of paper attached to a file so that it can be found easily. The tab for a meal, the tab for service in a place. Okay, a little sub window, part of a big window. You have various different tabs within that window. So that's quite a lot. Let's see. The tab in a file. 5 informality, use anywhere. The tab or the ring pull for a can. 5 informality, use anywhere. A tab as a cigarette from Newcastle. 2.5 informality. A tablet of drugs. 3 informality. The tabs at the top of the screen in your computer, 5 informality. The tab key, 5 informality. To pick up the bill, to pick up the tab, 4 informality. Wow, what a lot of different meanings. To tab, to run in full kit, I think probably 4 informality as well. Okay, so tab. It's a word with lots of meanings. A little bit of something attached so that it gives you information. The tab, the whole bill. A little metal tab so you can pull your can open. A tab, a drug of an illegal drug sold in tablet form. And then we've got the phrase as well, to keep tabs on, to monitor, to follow. So what about the origin of this word tab? Well, certainly it first appeared in the very early 17th century, but a tab, I'd be interested in some origin for it. So, tab.